Police responded to allegations involving a local daycare teacher. What began as a routine investigation quickly escalated into a criminal case involving children.
How you doing?
Doing well.
So I'm here regarding an incident that occurred, I guess a couple of days ago, regarding a teacher.
Oh, you have a name?
I don't have a name. They didn't provide anything. We don't have a name on the child. We don't have a name on the teacher.
Okay. DCF lady was just here. She gave me a receipt. So that's her investigation. Let me see.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and do you have your information as well?
Mine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I would like to speak to the teacher.
She's fired.
She was fired.
She was fired.
Okay. Yeah.
She's. I can give you
Her information.
her
Yeah, I wanted her information.
Yeah,
Thank you.
This is the new director. Kaylin was the director on duty when this incident happened, and the new director name is Lauren. So starting from next week follows the 23rd, second, there will be a new director. I'm just the new owner.
Okay.
I'm the owner. That's me. I can give you my cell phone number so that
Yeah.
in case you want.
Did anyone witness it? Did anyone witness the grabbing of the child? Was there anyone witness?
Oh yeah, we.
Did you witness it? Did you see the,
I
teacher?
didn't. I didn't. But we do have video. You can see it.
Oh, that'd
Yeah,
be great.
yeah,
Yes,
that'd be
please.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we don't take those things like easily.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
let me show you.
The
Yeah.
video, and then did you get the information for the lady that they fired? Like, do you have?
I need to get that. I don't know if you have her
Phone number and
face
everything.
sheet, like, you know, where it has all her information.
Of course. Yeah. Let
Yeah.
me get you her file so that.
Okay.
You
Thank
want
you.
to step in the office?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
You want
Probably would be better
phone number
with.
Yeah.
As I said, we don't take those things easy at all.
Yeah.
Were you here that day?
I was here. I was the one who
You-
fired her. You know, I saw the video. I said, no, she doesn't belong here. I would just fire her.
Okay.
But nobody got injured. The kids, she grabbed her kid, and let go like a rough handling. That's not okay to us. The kid fall on the ground and he rises up and he just play for the rest of the day. There's nothing. No, nothing. Okay, but that's not okay for us.
Okay.
A teacher should not do this. You know, we're here to provide love, not to do this. You and I, you probably have kids.
I don't.
Of an age,
I don't.
you have kids. You don't do that. So I
Yeah.
saw the video. I just let her go.
Okay.
For the day.
Okay.
Let me show you. You just want to step in so that.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It was early in the morning.
Early in the
8.
morning, yeah, about 8:20ish.
And that's her.
Yeah, that's the lady. Yeah, her name is Savannah. I'll give her the info.
Yeah, I'll get that info. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, around this time, about 8:20ish. See that boy over there? He's
Yeah.
doing, and she is trying to get the people, kids, in a circle. But she's, you know, that's room for improve her way of handling kids. But she should know better as well. And that kid climbed there. I showed the DCF lady the same video, and he's climbing back again. I'm trying to get her attention, and she should just go there and take care of the situation, helping. Kids of that age, they're not very communicative verbally, so they have all. See, she threw that. Now that get her attention. That's the moment. That's the moment. See there. That's it. Yeah. So that's enough for us to fire her.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Did he complain of any or did he cry or anything?
No,
'Cause I
not
don't-
this time. I mean, kids cry all the time, but not this time.
I don't see anyone in the room. How did you guys become aware of it?
Well, a parent saw it and brought to our attention.
A parent?
a parent
Yeah,
saw
and
it?
then our director went there together with the admin up front. We took her out of classroom immediately, and
So was a parent
Yeah, where was
in the room? What was the
no,
parent in the room?
parents at the door.
Oh, at the door. He must have
Yeah.
been the guy that I saw walking out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parents at the door. Yeah.
Okay, all right. And I need her information.
Yeah. Let me just go.
Savannah? Come here real quick. So, I'm sure you're aware about what happened the other day, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So, before I ask you any questions, I gotta read this to you, okay? These are gonna be your Miranda warnings, okay? So, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Okay? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? Okay. What happened the day of the child care?
He threw a toy at me, so I went to move him over to the toy to get it, and when I let go of him, he fell, and it looked very awful. Because me watching the camera, I'm like, yeah, I see it, that looked so awful. But he also tripped over my foot when he did fall.
Okay. Now were you having like a bad day? Were you frustrated or something because of all the kids being around?
No, I was good.
Okay.
There's sometimes where I do get frustrated, I'll back up and don't talk, or I won't touch the kid, I'll back up. But I wasn't frustrated at that moment, I just wanted him to pick up the toy he threw.
Okay. All right, Savannah. So I want you to understand this, okay? And this is coming from the parents and people above me, okay? Right now you're under arrest, okay?
What?
You're gonna be
But
under arrest.
he said I wasn't.
You're okay.
Hello?
So, go ahead and turn around, okay?
This is what's gonna happen. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna go up there, all right? I'm gonna give him your phone number and the bondsman, and they'll work on getting you out today. Okay? You just got to get booked.
I wanted
I don't know. Like I said, it's their
So,
case.
if you have anything with you that you want to leave, is he your husband?
Boyfriend. Their
Boyfriend?
Yeah, boyfriend.
Okay, and is he
Dad,
dad?
yeah.
Dad, okay. So whatever you want to leave with dad or boyfriend, you can leave it with him, okay?
I can't.
Alpha 54, 11015 for child abuse.
So she's gonna have to go up to Sharps and Coco, get booked, and then you guys can call and get her
Mom!
taken out. Okay?
Alright,
I
so,
know you didn't do nothing. What is the problem?
It's him.
so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, okay?
I didn't
So, is there
lie.
anything that she has on her that you guys would like to keep? Her wallet, phone,
She's being
phone.
arrested?
She is, but at
They
the moment she
said
is.
I wanted, the daycare said I wouldn't either. They said it was just a misunderstanding.
DCF
and I
said that
I
too
haven't
to
even
her.
talked to DCF. They said that DCF said I was good, that they would just talk to
what are
me,
they
and I haven't
talking
even talked to DCF.
Child abuse at the moment. So,
You
I'm gonna search her
have to-
pockets and
Everything
everything.
in
And
arrested
whatever
when
she
she
has on
wants
her,
to scratch marks.
if she has any phone numbers that she want to take with her, she can. We just write it down on a piece of paper that she can take it with her, okay? Okay.
Here, I'll get it. It's all right. Relax. You got it.
I did.
Oh,
I did.
it's okay.
I just wanted to. I was
You know the
frustrated.
story, and you know.
I'm sorry. Do I need my rings off too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the jail won't take them. And then your necklace as well.
Oh,
And we got to get your. Relax.
Are you wearing a bra today?
yeah.
Okay. You have anything your brother gonna me? Me?
No. Unless the wire's broken. I don't know if the wire's broken, but I don't think it is.
Okay. Just gotta make sure that.
Yeah.
You know. All right, Mom. Do you have any phone numbers that you would like her to have?
Yeah, mine.
Okay. So she'll see the judge hopefully in the morning.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, depending on how busy they are, they'll see the judge in the morning and then
Should be by 10.
She's gonna be traumatized over
That's
this.
usually whenever. Every time I've got arrested, it was 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's usually 10.
10
Sometimes it can run
o'clock,
later. Once you get in this early, it should be.
So here's pretty much the affidavit, okay, for the charges.
Okay.
What you're gonna say? So this happened on the 13th, right? You're gonna swear to me on the 16th. She was already arrested today, so all you need to say in here, it's just what happened, what you saw in the video, and you know what you think it, you know, exactly what you saw in the video, okay?
Right.
How you saw it in your, you know.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna sign. I'm gonna write the Florida State statute up here. You sign it. Then up here, down here, you're just gonna put your license number,
Okay.
and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Give it a pen.
Yes.
So that's my name, my badge number. That's gonna be the case number that's gonna be the primary case number where we did all the investigation on that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate
Okay.
it.
Have a good one. Okay.
You too.
Later, officers arrested Savannah. She was charged with child abuse. Investigators say the daycare's owner was alerted after staff raised concerns about a teacher's conduct during class. While Keys told investigators she did not intend to harm the child and no injuries were reported, authorities determined the behavior warranted criminal charges. The case will now move through the court system as oversight agencies continue their review.